All right, guys, here we go. We got a 2010 Kia Forte SX with 145K on it. Now you're asking yourself, why am I working on something like this? This thing has a rod knock. That's the only thing wrong with this car. Literally the only thing wrong with it. The interior is actually really good. I'll get to that in a minute. The previous owner, friend of mine, basically was going to give it to pick and pull, and I saved it. I'm going to end up doing a motor here within the next week or two, have it back on the road. This is actually a really good car. Average mileage for the year in here. I'll get to the interior here in a second. So besides needing just a good vacuum, standard detail, it's in really good condition. Here we'll go for the back seat. Check that out. This car is not bad. Just needs some attention. They got quoted $5,000 from Kia for a motor, which I think is a little atrocious for a 10-year-old car. But I already found a good low-mile motor that I'm going to go ahead and pick up and get in this. And I'll video that process too. And this is the Kia Forte SX with the 2.4 liter Theta 2. All right, guys. Bye.